Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Speak with Indu. How are you all guys? I'm good. I hope you all are good and learning new things every day and improving every day. Today we will learn tenses by simple and easy method. I want to ask you a question. Are tenses confusing for you? प्रेजेंट पास्ट फ्यूचर सब मिक्स हो जाता है. Don't worry. Today I will make tenses very easy for you. One student learned many grammar rules, but when he tried to speak English, he got confused. Why? Because he memorized rules instead of using sentences. So today we will learn with examples. Our first tense is present tense. Use it for now. For example, I eat food. I speak English. I am learning English. Repeat with me. I am learning English. I am speaking English. Second tense is past tense. Use it for yesterday or before. For example, I ate food. I spoke English. I learned English. Repeat with me. I learned. I spoke. Third tense is future tense. Use it for tomorrow or later. For example, I will eat food. I will speak English. I will dance. I will sing. Simple trick to learn this. Now used for present. Now is equals to present tense. Before is equals to past. Before used for past tense. Next is equals to future. Next is used for future tense. That's it. Repeat with me. I am learning English. I learned yesterday. I will practice tomorrow. Don't fear of grammar. Don't afraid of grammar. Start using grammar into sentences. Don't memorize it. Use simple sentences daily. Practice every day and slowly you will become confident. Start today. Keep practicing. Write in the comment section. I will practice tenses daily. If you like these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, keep improving. Thank you so much.